Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the data download feature and also explain how to calculate averages for both the unit and the student. So here we have the progress data table for one of the classes on Abax LMS, and in the top column, in the top row, you can see check a button for add average, and if you check this option, this column score will be added to the total average score for that student, and if you uncheck it, it will be removed from the total average. You can also use the add all check button to easily remove or add all the activities from the textbook into this average here, and we can see it going down to 0, and if I add the first 3 activities, that score will now be showing the average score of those 3 activities, and that includes the incomplete sections. So this student here had 100%, and incomplete. So we can see that their average is only 67% because they haven't actually submitted this unit yet. On the other hand, with the unit averages, that actually excludes the incomplete activities. So 96% means of the students that have submitted this activity, the total score is 96%. Now if you want to download this to add it to your final grade sheet, you can do that. The download will contain whichever data you have selected on this screen. So if you uncheck all of these options, then the download will contain 0% on the last column, and if you check them all, it will include all of those activities in the average score. So in order to download this data, I have to choose one of these options: CSV, comma separated values, text, or Excel. I'm going to click on CSV. And I can see that my spreadsheet has come into my desktop here, and I can see all of the data that I need for my final grade sheet. Unit averages are in the top row, and the name of the student is on the left side, and the average of the checked units is in the final column. So this column will give the total score of all activities that were checked in the previous screen. Maybe this, if you want to give a score for the Abax LMS as a separate score, or you want to include this score in the student's total score for the class, this is the easiest way to do that.